Here's Call Any app and how to call any, how to start a call with this app. So let's just try it out. It's like a ChatGPT 4 model, but it has this voice element and it has this like visual moving picture. But then you can just use it same as ChatGPT.
Good to see you again. How is it going?
It's going good. Can you write a poem? Okay, there is some kind of error. You can also just disable avatar like this.
Good to see you again. How is it going?
There was some kind of a bug.
Oh no. What kind of bug are you talking about? A computer bug or a creepy crawly bug?
No, like the bug with this app.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry to hear that you experienced a bug with the app. Did you report it to the developers? Hopefully they can fix it soon.
Yeah, I hope so.
In the meantime, is there anything else you'd like to chat about? How has your day been going so far?
It's going good.
That's great to hear. Anything exciting happened today, or are you just enjoying a peaceful day?
Yeah, so you can see like stuff like that with these calls and yeah, and then you can enable picture in picture. That's a new feature. You can enable speaker. Um, you can change either you want to record it, you can disable the picture. So all of these things you can try out. So that's how you get started with the call and how to basically use this app. If you want to get some additional features, you can see them here in settings. For example, you can set up like a morning call. You can see a call history. You can receive, you can add the lock screen widget. You can show subtitles. You can record the video, see self preview. If you do not like this app, you can just delete an account. So yes, pretty cool idea. So definitely give a try to this app. Not sure if it's available on Android, but there you have it.